I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bet I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot.
Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today, I just washed my car, and we're about to head over to the muffler shop yet again. It's probably like the 7th or 8th muffler shop video I've recorded on this channel. Probably more than that. I'm gonna be cutting these flex pipes off because one of them is shot out right here. Right, so I'm gonna do a little pull right down the road real quick just so you can hear my exhaust. Currently, I have a ISR single exit for the G37, which has no resonator. I have a still-in white pipe and test pipes that are non-resonated. So hopefully the white pipe will clean up a lot of the rasp and hopefully make the tone better. Compared to the tome that I used to have on the G37, the ISR does tend to drone quite a bit. So I'm not sure if the resonator white pipe is going to help or make that worse. But either way, it's definitely going to clean up the sound and make it just a tiny bit quieter because it is pretty loud. Alrighty, we are again back at New Star Muffler. Just in case you were curious on how the resonator actually stays together on the white pipe, there's this clamp right here. It's a little circle clamp, kind of goes around it like that. And yeah, you kind of just set the resonator on top and you put the clamp around and you tighten it. Kind of sort of the same aspect on the Tome exhaust. You kind of set the pipes over each other, they're flanged, so you kind of slide them through, then you put the clamp over and tighten it. Which one should I put on the G, guys? You think the white ones? Or should we do red? Nah, you know what? I'm sold. We're going pink, guys. Pink exhaust tip, let's go. Yo, what if I did a side exit? Just like stick it out right there behind the front wheel. Alright, both white pipes are off of the car. This is the new one, this is the old one. We got the still-in non-resonated white pipe and we have the Circuit Works resonated white pipe. Alright, the white pipe is done. As you can see behind me right here, I got everything welded up and the resonator's right there. Everything's all tightened. You can go ahead and lower the car. It did end up raining for like 30 seconds while I was getting my work done. Which is a good thing, because I just washed my car and I don't want my car to get dirty, even though I know it's going to. I know how it sounded like without the resonator, so let's see how this sounds. Oh, that's way more contoned. This honestly does sound so much better. It's like barely quieter, but it's like way less raspier, and that's actually awesome. It just made this sound so much cleaner, and it just, I'm honestly kind of speechless. I'm actually kind of amazed on how good the resonator white pipe really like does. I can't even emphasize this enough, how much better this sounds. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications while you are at it. Let me know what you guys thought about the resonated white pipe. I think it sounds so much better and clean up all the rasp, and it didn't make it too quiet, which is crazy. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram, above_hunter. We just passed 30,000 followers, which is insane. So thank you guys so much for that. Make sure y'all follow along as I continue to build the 37, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.